family, and friends, we are excited to present the 4th grade 2014 holiday performance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
On Christmas, all I wanted was a puppy, not a toy puppy, a real puppy. So I wrote a Christmas letter to Santa. It only had some earrings, a doll, and a puppy. So when I was opening my presents, I got a tablet, a harmonica, and more. When I finally opened all my presents, no puppy. I could not enjoy any of my presents. Then suddenly my dad says that there was one last present. He pulls it out from the back of the tree. It was a Build-A-Bear box, so I thought it was just a silly stuffed bear. But it was heavier than a stuffed bear. When I opened it, I saw a real puppy. It was so tiny. My dad said that she was a girl and 2 months old. My mom asked me what I would name her. I chose Lily.
I love it because all the Christmas decorations are up around the house. Even though we make these cookies every year, it's always so exciting to make them year after year with my grandma. That's why even when I'm older, I will never let this tradition die. I will always and forever keep baking cookies with my grandma. Thank you. elf on a shelf. Me and my brothers were excited. We named him Buddy. Then the next morning, we looked for him for a couple of minutes. Then we found him in the living room on a shelf. Then, when it was Christmas, he flew away back to Santa. He's like Santa's little scout. Then the next year, he comes over and over again. I can't wait till next year. Thank you.
When I was walking home from a long plane ride from Ireland, Boston, and finally back to Whittier, I was planning on just going right to my room and falling asleep because it was about 4 in the morning. But then when I got to the living room, I couldn't believe my eyes. I saw amazing presents there, but out of all of the presents, I noticed a computer and a new bike. As soon as I saw the computer, I remembered that I had a code to get Minecraft on the computer from the actual Christmas day, which had been a couple of days ago in Ireland. Ever since then, I will not forget that not Christmas day.
We are Santa's elves, filling Santa's shelves, with a toy for each girl boy. We are Santa's elves. We work hard all day, but our work is play. Dolls we try out, see they cry out. We are Santa's elves. We have a special job each year. We don't like to brag. Christmas Eve we fill Santa's bag. Santa knows who's good. Do the things we should. And we bet you he won't forget you. We are Santa's elves. Ho, ho, ho. Bee, bee, bee. We are Santa's elves. Ho, ho.
Everyone has a favorite Christmas tradition. For our family tradition, we always take out our elf on the shelf. She is a girl and her name is Renesmee. She wears a black and white skirt with black boots. She is really cute when she sits down and her arms are crossed. She flies every night to report to Santa. If she doesn't move, then we were bad, but if she does move, then that means we were good. After Christmas is over, she lives until next Christmas. Christmas traditions are very special.
Traditions are an important part of life. My favorite Christmas tradition is when we go to church and say prayers. Then we go to my grandma's house and eat delicious tamales. Then we open some of our presents. On Christmas morning, we eat breakfast and open the rest of our presents. Christmas is a special time to spend with family.
Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a picture book, yellow, blue, or red. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give the rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus. You will know the best. Santa!
A snowy Christmas Eve. On a cold Christmas Eve, my family and I were on a long drive home from Nevada. We were driving through Mammoth and it was chilly and we could not see anything through all the snow. We started to wonder if we would make it home for Christmas. As we were driving, my mom kept freaking out and my dad was super quiet and trying to concentrate on the road. My big sister Jill just kept saying, wee, wee, all the way. All of the rest of us just kept screaming and all I could see was white snow. Finally, we got through the snowy storm. In the end, we got home safe and sound. I will never forget this crazy Christmas.